Good evening, class 10. Today we are going to discuss about the applications of electrolysis. So first application is electroplating. Electroplating, it is a process by which a less active metal gets deposited on the surface of a more active metal by using electricity or by using electrolysis. So what are the reasons for electroplating? First reason is to protect the article from rusting or corrosion, and next is to enhance the appearance of the article. Now, conditions of electroplating. First condition, the article to be electroplated is placed at the cathode, and that article which has to be plated should be completely dipped into the electrolytic solution. Next, metal with which plating has to be done is made the anode. Electrolyte must contain ions of the metal with which the article has to be plated, and a low current for long period of time has to be used. So, the few conditions that has to be maintained while we are doing electroplating. First example is electroplating of an article with silver. In this particular case, the electrolyte used is aqueous solution of sodium argentocyanide, and the electrodes, cathode is article to be electroplated and anode is block of silver. So, the electrolyte dissociates in two steps. It's a complex salt. So, it dissociates as Na positive plus AgCN overall negative. Then next step, AgCN whole twice dissociates to give silver ions and cyanide ions. Okay, and water is there. Water dissociates to form H positive and OH negative. Now, reaction at cathode. Silver ions move towards the cathode, gets deposited due to its lower position in the electrochemical series as Ag positive plus 1 electron, arrow Ag. Right? Next, the reaction at anode. Both cyanide and hydroxide ion move towards the anode, but none of them gets deposited due to active nature of the anode. Silver anode loses electrons to form silver positive ion that moves into the solution. Hence, with progressive time, the mass of the anode decreases and mass of the cathode increases. In this particular reaction, silver nitrate is not used as an electrolyte because on using silver nitrate, the deposition of silver is rapid, so the coating on the metal surface is not uniform. The process continues till the entire mass of the anode gets dissolved into the solution. Okay, next is electroplating of an article with nickel. So in this particular case, the electrolyte is concentrated solution of nickel sulfate, and electrodes, cathode is article to be plated and anode is your block of nickel metal. So nickel sulfate undergoes dissociation as Ni2 positive and sulfate ions, and we have water obviously which dissociates as H positive and OH negative ion. So out of Ni2 positive and H positive, nickel 2 positive gets deposited at the cathode Y, though its position is higher in the electrochemical series, but due to its high concentration, it gets deposited at the cathode. Next, we come to the reaction at anode. Both sulfate and hydroxide move towards the anode, but no one gets deposited due to the active nature of the anode. Nickel anode loses electron to form nickel ions that passes into the solution. Here also the product, the mass of the cathode increases with time and mass of anode decreases with time. The process continues till the entire mass of the anode dissolves into the electrolytic solution. So that's it, class 10. Thank you.